Welcome back to another Viper Sharp tutorial. We are going to be sharpening this slicer today. It needs some work. It's not sharp. So I figured I'd do this. This is a Mercer blade, high carbon, no stain stainless steel X30 CR13 with a part number M23011. So let's get it sharpened, shall we? So this knife is long enough that I've decided I'm going to do it in two sections. So we're going to put two clamps on here, and I'll show you how to use two clamps with the Viper Sharp. It's one of the benefits of the Viper Sharp system is if you have a long blade like this, you can position two clamps on the system, and the fact that it has a removable clamp option not only allows you to test the clamp during sharpening, test the knife during sharpening, but I can put that in and work this half of the blade, and then just move down here and put that clamp in and move to this half of the blade. So that way you've got the ability to do long blades with the system. So let's get sharpening. I'm definitely going to start with a 200, a well-worn 200 stone as we get started here. We'll set those stops, and I've got enough oil. Get a towel ready. Didn't bring my cloth, so I'll use paper towels on this. See where I need to put that angle. That's definitely getting the edge, but it could go down a little bit. And that's pretty good. So we're going to set it there and run a few passes on the back side of this, the back end of this edge. Slight reprofile, and doing quick work. Already have the burr on there. It's a thin blade, so it doesn't need a whole lot of work. And it's not extremely hard. It's a stainless steel. It'll be good and sharp until my brother takes it and carves something with nice hard bones or on the countertop or something. There we go. Those diamond stones make quick work of sharpening. And you can hear the burr coming off. Good idea to clean the metal out of those hones now and then. So we'll do that a bit here. Do the other half. And we've got the burr all along there. So put away the 250, move up to a 400 grit, clean it. And we'll do some cleaner strokes here. A lot of what these higher grit passes are doing is cleaning up the micro striations made by the previous grit. Be sure to try and use as much of that stone as you can, or hone as it were, so that you're not working just with the middle of the hone. Flip that over, take the burr off. Might create a little bit of a burr on the other side, but that's all right. We'll flip it back over and finalize by taking that off. Once you've done a few dozen knives, you really may not even take that much, and you'll get used to the feel. You can tell when you're working through a burr, the sound is different. To me, this is all just the sound of a peaceful day. Move on up. I'm going to jump right up to the 1200 this time. I'm not too concerned about taking every step here. We'll just jump to refining that right now. couple of final passes on this. And we'll have that done. Again, be real careful when you're cleaning that off, because that will often just slice right through the paper and into your finger. Alright, I'm going to finish off with the strop. Always pull away from the edge. Oh, cut my strop. Probably that slide at the end. Yep, getting it quite a bit there. You need to lift that strap up. And there we go. And that's how you sharpen a carving knife. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have a knife that you'd like to see sharpened, or a style of knife that you'd like to see, or any other questions that you have. Head on over to vipersharp.com to get yours. Have a great day.